All right, for number 5, we know it tells us here that these two triangles are similar, and we're trying to see which proportion we can use to calculate the length of LM in centimeters. This is one of those problems that looks a little overwhelming, but if we break it down, it's really not that difficult if we look at it carefully. So what we're going to start with is highlighting our corresponding sides. So I have HJ and I have LM. So over here, and HJ is 4.5, right? So I am going to look for any LMs and also any 4.5s and highlight them green. So I can see corresponding sides, right? Okay, I'm going to change colors, and now I'm going to do JK and MN, which are 9 and 6. So now I'm looking for anywhere I have the number 9 or the number 6. And then my last corresponding sides, I'm going to use a third color, and they are 7.5 and 11.25. Okay. Now, I can look at this, and remember, when I'm doing proportions with corresponding sides, they have to either be corresponding up and down, like these are, or corresponding across, like these are. They cannot crisscross, so I know it's not this one. And this one, they crisscross and they have different colors. I'm not going to have all 3 colors, because it should just be 2 sets of corresponding sides. So now I'm left with, it could be this one or it could be this one. So now we're going to do one extra step to figure out which that is. So what we're going to do is we're going to label these, whether they're in the big triangle or the small triangles. So this one's the big one and this one's the small one. So 11.25, that's from my big one. I don't have that here. And then 7.5 is from my small one. Then LM is from my big triangle, and 4.5 is from my small triangle. Down here, 9 is from the big triangle. LM is also from the big triangle. 6 is from the small triangle, and so is 4.5. So now, just like before, where it has to be stacked or across from each other, if I look at these two, I've got big to big like this and small to small like that, and a proportion cannot cross like that, so it can't be that one. This one is big, big, small, small, so I've got big together and small together, and I've got blue across, green across, so that's why D was the correct answer.